Hello friends, this is Akhil. This is my channel Ask Akhil for Selenium. In this video, I was going to explain about locators in Selenium. Why locators? Different types of locators. Why locators? With, without locators, you can't think about Selenium. Locators are used to locate the web elements and used to perform some actions on that particular web element which is located. Web elements are nothing but where the place, for example, I was saying the place where you enter Gmail ID and the password field to log in into your Facebook account, the right are nothing but web elements. The place where you click on the login button is nothing but a web element. For example, you are creating a new account for Facebook. You have to enter first name, surname, and the date of birth value, and you have to click on the create account button. Those are web elements, and the whole one is called a web page. In a web page, the web elements are placed. So in Selenium, to locate the web elements, there are 7 type of locators. There are ID, class name, name, link text, partial link text, CSS selector, and XPath. I think you are worrying where should I get these values, right? So you can get these values, you right in the you can find these values in HTML DOM structure. So to see the HTML DOM structure of any web page or any web element, right click on that particular web element, inspect. Here you can see the DOM structure, and the line which is highlighted with the blue color is related to this particular field. Here the ID of this particular web element is email, the name of this particular web element is email, and the class is input text. And now locate this web element. The line which is highlighted with blue color belongs to this web element. The ID of that particular web element is pass, name is pass, class is input text. I think you have observed that the class name for both these web elements are same. So when you use that class value, you will get a error unable to locate the particular element exception. So you can't use the particular class because it has duplicated. So you have to use a unique values. So right, if ID is same for both these element, you can't use ID. If the name is same for those two web elements, you cannot use that name locator, right? So you have to find a unique one to locate that particular element. Generally, the value of ID, the value of class name, the value of name, and the value of link text is present in this HTML DOM structure. The value of CSS selector and XPath you have to write on your own. And I was explained about the XPath in another video. Please refer that video to know how to write XPath, how to know what detailed explanation of XPath is given is in that video. Please refer that video to know about XPath, right? I think you got that. If you want to locate this web element, it has some values, and the values are in HTML DOM structure, right? So right click on that particular web element, inspect. See, the line which is highlighted with blue color belongs to this field, right? The value of ID for that field is email, the value of name is email, the value of class is input text. And now again I was inspecting this password field, inspect. The ID is pass, name is pass, class is input text. The class name value is same for email and password field, so you cannot use that value to locate that particular web element because selenium shows unable to locate element exception. So to avoid that, I recommend you to use the unique values, right? So if for example I was showing the next fields, inspect, here you can see here id is not there. If I inspected another field, there is no id. Oh, there is id. Inspect. There is id. The id values for all the web elements are different, so you can use that id value. The value of name is also different, so you can use that. But the value of type is text is same for all these web elements, so you cannot use that because selenium shows unable to locate element exception. I think this is called link text, first name. Link text is nothing but uh, at the end of the line, see, first name I have to inspect. It was not showing. See, here first name is nothing but a link text. Partial link text is nothing but using a part of the link text, right? Here link text is first name, so if you want to use partial link text, just use the first or just use name, right? Partial link text is nothing but a part of link text. So I think you have understand what is id, what is class name, or what is name, what is link text or partial link text. And css selector and xpath you have to write on your own, because in html dom structure there are no value, you can't see the values of css selector and xpath. You have to write it on your own, um, with the help of this id or class or name or type or different attributes like href or alt src. in in my another video, uh, in another video I was explained about xpath. Please refer that to know how to write xpath expression. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like it,